How to log in into Missouri sales tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Missouri sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser from your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Missouri sales tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website that says My Tax Missouri. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. If you haven't already created an account, simply tap on Create an Account option. But assuming you have already created an account, simply enter your user ID and password and tap on Sign In option. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, simply tap on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password option. So that's all. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Missouri sales tax account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.